What's going on, music producers? It's Curtis King, CurtisKingBeats.com, and I'm going to do an unboxing. What is that? An unboxing of the AKAI professional collaboration with FL Studio for this AKAI Fire. Now, they just sent this to me as a gift, and because your man's is influential out here, I had to repeat that one time. Man's not hot. But I've been excited about opening this up. I got it in the mail, and I have not cracked it open. I did cut this open just to see. Ooh, stop teasing them. Don't do that. I mean, you know, you guys have probably already seen the video, so I don't think I need to go over any other details in terms of what's on the box. You guys want to see this thing cracked open. I know some of my friends were asking me like, hey man, how is it? Some of them were having some mixed reviews. Some were saying like, ah man, is it like, what is it? And I don't know if I'm always the best person to ask outside of the fact that I've been using FL Studio for quite some time. I'm not really a hardware dude. So I'm actually very interested in seeing the learning curve that comes along with this. But as you can see, when you open this thing up, I mean, you got your plastics. Don't sniff because you might suffocate, you know, all that good stuff. You have an instruction guide here. What is this? The AKAI Fire User Guide. This is an AKAI Professional. Oh, this is the warranty. Okay, good stuff. Okay, so there's some downloading instructions. Okay, so there must be a compatible software download for this. All the way, we got a cheat sheet. That's pretty helpful just to know what we're going through. So I'm not really a hardware dude. I'm pretty sure those of you that use hardware or maybe even use Machine, this is probably the reason you started using Machine, is because you like the hardware feel. Do I need to pause that? I don't know. Anyways, you get a USB right here. You see these impeccable bag opening skills. Okay. Yeah. Pretty sure you're not interested in that, but it's there. You got some stuff that'll send you to the hospital if you try to eat it. Okay, so it's a little bit lighter than I expected it to be when I saw it on the videos. I expected it to be a little bit heavier, but the lighter is good. It's the same thing I feel about my Focusrite that I use, is that I'm glad that it's light because it's very portable and mobile. So we're gonna move these off to the side. I ain't even making a lot of noise. Okay. Okay, so we got some extra protection. Okay, now this is dope. So let me tell you some things that I anticipated when I first saw the videos. First thing I thought was that these were going to be plastic. And these are definitely not plastic, they're soft. They're the same material that they have for like the MPC pads, because I don't know about you, but when it comes to finger drumming, I hit the drum notes very hard. My wrist is actually damaged right now. The knobs, the knobs even have a little bit of weight to them. That's dope. Yeah, especially for those of you like that are very heavy-handed like myself. That's very necessary. That's why I've gone through like 5 Focusrites in the last 7 years. We're not gonna talk about that. So let's plug this bad boy in.